Uranus, the seventh planet from the Sun, is one of the most fascinating objects in our solar system. This ice giant is unlike any other planet in the solar system because of its peculiar axial tilt. Unlike other planets, Uranus tilts on its side, making its axis almost parallel to its orbit around the Sun. This tilt has led to some bizarre weather phenomena that scientists are still trying to understand. In this video, we'll explore the mysteries of Uranus and its strange weather patterns. Uranus is known as an ice giant because it is mostly composed of water, ammonia, and methane ice. It's also incredibly cold, with temperatures that can drop as low as -224 degrees Celsius. Uranus has an atmosphere of mostly hydrogen and helium, like Jupiter and Saturn. But it's the presence of methane that gives it its signature blue-green color. Uranus is unique in our solar system because it's tilted almost 98 degrees on its side. That means that its poles are almost where its equator should be. This unusual tilt has led to some bizarre weather phenomena that are still not fully understood by scientists. Uranus tilt causes some strange weather patterns. For example, its poles receive more sunlight than its equator, which leads to a large variation in temperature across the planet. The atmosphere at the poles is warmer than at the equator, which creates a constant flow of air from the warmer poles to the colder equator. Uranus also has a set of rings that encircle the planet. These rings are made up of dark particles, which scientists believe are made up of carbon and organic compounds. The rings are also tilted at an angle of about 98 degrees, which is the same as the planet's tilt. This unusual alignment is believed to be a result of a collision with a large object in the planet's past. Uranus' atmosphere is also unique because it rotates sideways compared to its orbit around the Sun. This means that the winds on Uranus blow in strange patterns, with the fastest winds blowing at the equator rather than the poles, as is the case with most planets. Uranus also has a set of moons, including Miranda, which has one of the strangest landscapes in the solar system. Miranda has large canyons, ridges, and other geological features that suggest it has experienced significant geological activity in the past. Finally, Uranus has a set of auroras that are similar to the ones on Earth. However, because Uranus' magnetic field is tilted almost 60 degrees from its axis of rotation, its auroras are much more intense and are located closer to the planet's poles. Uranus is a fascinating planet that is still shrouded in mystery. Its unusual tilt, rings, and weather patterns make it a subject of intense study for scientists around the world. As we continue to explore our solar system, we may unlock even more secrets of this icy giant.